So let's get started with our today's session. So for that, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate PIR sensor with LED. So basically, first of all, you will have to open your Chrome browser. After that, you will have to search TinkerCAD. After after searching TinkerCAD, you will have to make your own account. So basically, you will just have to open TinkerCAD. They TinkerCAD, you will get option for here sign up. Go in sign up option, click student join as. After in sign up option, click on student account. After just do sign in with Google. It's just easy step. By doing this, you can just make account on TinkerCAD. After this all, basically, we will just have to go in option in home. There you will see create option. So just choose create circuit. After creating circuit, first of all, from here you can give name to your project. So choose project name here as PIR sensor and place enter. Here we change our project name. So now basically let's come on what we are today going to see. So now let's see what is PIR sensor. Today I am going to explain you what is PIR sensor. So basically let's come what is PIR sensor. So here let's see PIR sensor. So basically in PIR sensor the two partitions are there. Two plates are there. In between that plates, infrared what will say waves are passed. Every human being will pass one type of infrared waves which are not visible by our own eyes. Means that is we can't see that, but it is present in our environment. So basically, when some person or some object will move between the two plates, here wave will get changed. Normally, that wave will be in a straight line, but after someone will detect that wave, it will get changed. As you can see here, waves is changing for sensor 1, it's going upside, and for sensor 2, it is going downside. So basically, this thing happened when person will come in between these two. As you can see, the example of infrared radiation is a TV remote. If you will see TV remote, basically it's the best example of infrared radiation. If you will observe upside of TV remote, we will see one light, red color light will be there. It is called as infrared. It is the transmitter of infrared sensor. So now let's come on pin connection of PIR sensor. Basically, PIR sensor have three pin modes: ground, output, and VCC. Basically, ground means negative terminal, VCC means positive terminal, and output is the output pin which will give data of the sensors to either to on buzzer or either to an LED. Now let's come on our simulation, how to do simulation. First of all, I will say you here you will have to go in components option and you will have to select all. Firstly, here search for breadboard. Now I will say you what is breadboard. Basically, breadboard is a simple device which you can use for connecting devices. By breadboard, you can make your connection very easy. If you didn't use breadboard, you will have to connect so many wires, which will be complex for you. So basically, breadboard will become that all connection very simple and easy. So basically, if you will see this breadboard upside two lines here, this one and this one. Basically, these two lines, these upside negative lines, these all are internally connected horizontally like this. And this downside positive, this is also internally connected horizontally. Same goes for this negative and this positive. Now let's come on from it. These lines are connected vertically. As you can see, this portion is there from F to J. These line are connected internally with each other. Same goes for this. Second one, third one, all are internally connected to each other in this manner, like vertical manner. Same goes for this. From here E to A, they are also connected vertically to each other in vertically connected to each other from here to here in vertical manner. Now what breadboard is used? So basically it can easy our connection. So after breadboard we are going to search for battery, and for this project we will need 1.5 volt battery, and here we are going to choose in count 4 batteries. Okay. So basically how much it become? 1.5 into 4. That is 6 volt. So we are using 6 volt. So basically just click on this battery. Here you can see rotate option. So here rotate your battery like this. Okay. Now here you can see this red one is positive, black one is negative. Mostly in electronics for everything, red one will be positive, black one will be on this positive. Okay, basically let's connect this negative terminal on this negative side and this positive. You can connect anywhere in between these four plus minus here you can connect anywhere. For your easiness, I am just connecting to negative side and positive side. After this, search for our main sensor, which is PIR sensor. Okay. Now again, click on this, rotate it. As you can see here, PIR sensor, you can also see here 3 pins are there basically. You can see clearly here. Here 3 pins are there. If you click, this is signal pin. Signal pin means it is basically output pin. This is power pin. Power pin means VCC pin, and ground pins means ground. So basically, we have to connect this ground pin to this negative terminal. This power pin to here positive. See, we can connect anywhere in this lane. You can see it's internally connected, so we can connect anywhere. For simple, we'll just connect upside. And this signal pin take anywhere between this A to J. Between this signal, you can between these lines take anywhere this output signal pin. So let's say we will take this pin here. Okay. After this, search for resistors. Now you will think what resistor is. Just search for resistor. Now you will think what resistor is. So basically just resistor is a device which will, now we will say if we connect some battery, so many times it will pass so much current. So basically to limit the current, resistor is used. And in this project, as we are going to use LED, for LED one limit current is there. It will work on that limit only. So for that we will need resistor. I will just say you one thing, that whenever you are going to use any LED, please use resistor for that. Otherwise, your LED can get fault. So let's connect the resistor. Resistor will not have any terminal, but we will just have to always connect resistor with one side of resistor to this in this same line of output pin, and one side to any terminal. After this, just search for LED. And this is LED. So let's come on LED. In LED, you can see one is anode and one is cathode. Basically, cathode means negative side and anode means positive side. Always we have to connect negative side of this LED with the negative terminal, that is at the ground terminal, and positive terminal with the output pin. Here, as we can see, here we can connect it with the output pin. But as we are using resistor for limited on current, so from here we are transferring that output in by using resistor. We are transferring here in this whole line output is there. But by using resistor, we are transferring that output to this line. Means from line number 17 to line number 13. So now we will connect this LED to line number 13. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Now in this whole line we have to supply negative terminal, as we have to supply this cathode part, which is negative side with ground. So basically we will click here and we will connect one wire to this negative terminal. And that's it. Our connection is over. So now let's click on start simulation. After clicking on start simulation, you have to click on this PIR sensor. And after clicking here, you can see here. This is just assume this is our object, our hand, or these are human. If you will move this object, you can see our LED is glowing up. See, you can see if we will click on glow. See, LED is glowing, and if we will remove that, after some time LED will get off automatically. So basically, what this PIR sensor is doing, as I explained you, in between two plates are there. In between two plates, when we are moving object or our hand, it is detecting that infrared and that waves are getting changed. That signal is given to our LED, and according to that, as object is moving, infrared sensor, our LED is getting on. So with this related to project, now you will think what project we can make by using PIR sensor. So basically, we can make projects like security system, then night vision light, motion sensor, as you can say means automatic light we can make. Example, it will just get on when you will come in front of in it. Means basically you can put that light in your door, and as you will enter in door, that time only light will get on for some time. We can put delay for some time that keep light on for 2 minutes. After I will on door. So as it will detect you that you are entering door, light will get on, and after some time it will get off. So by this you can save so much of electricity, power, and everything. It will be helpful. We can use it in security system, in a counting system, in so many things it have used. So let's come on overview of project. Firstly, we learn how to make account on TinkerCAD. Basically, we learn what is a PIR sensor. After that, what are pin connection of PIR sensor. Later, we learn how to what is breadboard. Then we see battery. Then we see how to connect each and every component. So let's come on summary of connection. What I did, I took one breadboard. In breadboard, all these upside positive and negative are connected horizontally, and these center pins all are connected vertically. And breadboard is used for just easiness of our connection. So let's this black one is always negative terminal, red one is always positive terminal. Connect negative terminal to the negative side, positive terminal to the positive of breadboard. After that, we took PIR sensor. In PIR sensor, one is signal pin, which is output pin, one is power pin, which is a positive pin, and one is ground pin, which is basically negative pin. So connect ground pin to negative side, power pin to positive side, and signal pin to anywhere between A to J. Like this, here we connect here. After connecting this, take resistor. Basically, resistor is a device which is used for limiting the current. So here we are connecting resistor. From here to we took connection of resistor from 17 pin to pin number 13. We can take anywhere. After that, we are using LED. LED is for sensing, for giving a signal that yeah, at this time we are detecting object, person, anything. For that, we are using LED. So basically, in already two terminal will be there, positive and negative. Always one terminal will be bigger than other. Always bigger terminal will be positive and smaller terminal will be negative. So connect bigger terminal with the resistor, and smaller terminal, which is negative terminal, to the ground. And that's it, our connection is there. After that, you can just start simulation and you can check the working of a project. It's working fine. LED, but later you can use buzzer also. So basically, if you will use buzzer as that object, you can hear buzzer making sound. That's it for today. Thank you.